Check out this next one, guys. This is a good old factoring general case polynomials question. This problem asks us to factor x squared plus 7x plus 12. You're definitely going to see these on our midterm exam. Our review packet is chock full of these under the chapter 5 section. Let me just talk really quickly about how we would factor this. Anytime you're faced with a problem like this, where we have just a single x squared without a number in front, and that's very key. Make sure there's no number here. By the way, there is a number there. The coefficient is just 1. We've chosen not to write it because we have 1x squared. It's sort of self-explanatory. But let's pretend that, hey, we have a 1 here. How do we go about factoring it? I always want you guys to write out two empty sets. We're going to get two binomials that multiply to give us a trinomial. The question is, what goes in this binomial? Well, the first term is always going to be x. Whatever this first variable was, you're going to be multiplying these first two terms together to give you this right here. And x times x is x squared. Likewise, to get this number right here, these two numbers, whatever they might be, you're going to have to multiply two terms to get this number here. Now, it might not be clear what you would multiply to get this, but really the question you're asking relates back to an old question we did. We're looking for numbers that multiply to 12 but add to 7. And if you really have trouble with this, just list the factors of 12. You've got 1 and 12 multiply to 12. You've got 2 and 6 that multiply to 12. You've got 3 and 4 that multiply to 12. As long as you can find factors, it's really easy because 1 plus 12 is, well, 13. That doesn't work. 2 plus 6 is 8. That doesn't work. 3 plus 4, hey, that works. That is 7. So we fill in 3 and 4 here. And we fill in 3 and 4 here. And the last thing to do, which you didn't have to save for last, is fill in your signs. And then this one is pretty easy. You look here at the last sign, that's a plus. That tells you both signs are going to be the same. This one tells you both of those signs are going to be pluses. And there you have it. This right here, x plus 3 times x plus 4, that is your solution. That is this factored. And that's it.